Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building these two beautiful 350 Chevrolet turnkey package engines. The black one is our 350 Chevrolet 400 horsepower turnkey package. Go over some of the highlights. We have the late model block, one-piece rear main seal, 4-bolt main block. We put the double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, new water pump, aluminum heads are on there. All the rocker arms, roller rocker arms, fully adjusted, all set. The Chevrolet script valve covers in black with the matching black intake manifold. Carburetors on there, the quick fuel carburetor. This customer's getting the HEI distributor on there. Standard flywheels on this application, proper tooth count and balance, high torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube, American made Taylor ignition wires, all the wire markers are on there. High flow fuel pump, Russell fuel line, gas filter, all set. Go over to our 450 horse 383 stroker engine. Again, you have the aluminum heads on there, all the rocker arms fully adjusted. Every engine will always have the correct oil pan, correct balancer and flywheel for your application, and the correct distributor. This one has a small cap distributor on here for firewall clearance. That's real important. Every engine is live run for over an hour. All the settings are set, ready to go. You'll get a video of your engine running, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So there you have it. That's our 400 horsepower 350 Chevrolet engine in black. And then we have the 383 stroker ready to go. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. We're a family-owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.